Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a recap of our trading room for Tuesday the 1st of March. Today was a very interesting day. The market opened gap higher and then, as you can see, just totally fell apart. We saw it open, it was not enough time really to get in a trade to take the gap close. The gap closed and the market just, continued to the downside. We did take a long, worked out for almost 2 points on, part. The rest we got stopped out at plus quarter point. Market did come down. We did talk about this long, and it did run away from the entry. Same thing here. Talked about the short, and it really sold off very hard. Took a long here, scalped it. Took another point. Not too bad, and ran away again. Tried to jump in the long down here. Ended up getting stopped out, and the market just pretty much ran sideways from there. So not really a big day. Kind of disappointing, as we had 3 trades for maximum profit potential of 1.75 points or 7 ticks. Definitely not a great day. I took out 1.25. Website is www.businesswithtrading.com. We like to talk about trading all day long. Talk about why we feel certain entries are better than others. Today we had some news events come out, and the opposite of what was supposed to happen because Ben Bernanke was speaking, and he's been hard to read lately. Right when he first started speaking, when Obama was elected, it was every time he opened his mouth, the market would tank. Well, today it was hard to predict. We had a couple different scenarios going. The market did buy up from here, and totally sold off afterwards. There was a possibility that it could have bought up a little bit more. This selling off the way it is, it was really interesting, and it's definitely going to set up something for tomorrow, maybe tonight. It'll definitely be interesting though. Ben Bernanke said that we're going to keep interest rates low for an extended period. He still has that extended period terminology. The ISM PMI, I heard from someone, that's the highest we've had since 1983. I don't know if that's true or not. But if it is, then inflation is starting to creep in, and with the amount of money that has been printed by the government, that makes sense. So it's definitely going to be interesting. Inflation is starting to creep in. And with the University of Michigan inflation expectations, they do expect more inflation. It was under 3 many months ago. Now I think it was 3.4 the last reading. So they're definitely expecting more inflation to come into the market, which would definitely be interesting. We have these other economies that are really growing. They're seeing inflation, and it will definitely be very, very fun, and it should make for a good market going forward. But anyway, that's what happened today in the room. Not a great day, but as long as you can end positive, that's all that really matters. It was a day where you have 2 different biases, then your bias kind of like turns a little bit, and you never really grab your plan B. It just, you stick with your plan A, and what happens happens. But anyway, it's definitely a good learning experience, especially for the people in the room. I'm always learning new things, and speaking with traders. I speak with different traders all the time, and always it's always interesting to see from their perspective, and then my own perspective, and then what we see together. It's definitely a lot of fun. But anyway, the website again is www.businesswithtrading.com. If you want to stop by, check it out. Of course, any comments, feedback, suggestions, definitely email me. Upper right hand side of the website has a contact form. Don't hesitate to send something out. I'll welcome anything. As long as it's not a death threat or anything. I'll welcome it for sure. Anyway, hope you guys do enjoy these videos. If you do, please click the Twitter, Facebook like buttons. Definitely would appreciate that. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow morning in the markets. Thank you.